All right, let's go. Number 2.
All right, load up another bottle and...
Here you go. I can do it, but it's very hard because I'm full. I'll bite your head off if you suggest I can't, though. No! I can do it my own self. I don't need your help. Uh-huh. Okay, whatever. Girls. All right, here we go.
Oh, shoot, I need gloves.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you gotta get real.
Where are we going to go next?
Probably another top
Down there
section.
or over here?
Yeah, I'd probably start with like that and work our way over. Yeah, can I go around the edges of the branches and the where the foam meets the glass first, and then kind of just fill in all the sections from there?
So outline and then fill in, yes?
Yeah.
Did I go up too high there?
Nope. Again, we can also kind of maybe squish it all around. It'll all...
I'm doing it! I've wanted to do this for so many, well, I can't really say so many years, but a few years. You know, since it kind of became a very trendy thing. I need to fill in more though, right?
Yeah, there you go. Perfect.
Seems like there was so much extra. Oh my gosh, I've got a really nice caulking gun that twists and turns as you go along.
Oh.
It's ergonomically cracked. This thing sucks. This is what you get for under $5. This is one of the most tedious projects I've ever embarked on. I'm telling you, it's awful. I had no clue.
They do take a while.
No clue it was going to be this hard. Still have like 3 pallets of tanks at the road store that need to get moved over to storage. The ones in my car are going to go here. Jim said there's room for them here.
Yeah.
Just like 6 or 7 small talls. Also, do you know how much caulking is now? I mean, the silicone is?
That's like, what, $11 a freaking tube?
Well, this was 10, so I guess I got a good price.
It's like $10.99, I think, last time. And yeah, what? Yeah, those were like
Are you
$2 or $3
serious?
bucks.
Yeah.
What happened?
Am I covering okay?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to hand it up to you. My hand hurts too much.
Okay.
It's like really hard. That gun is really crappy.
That's my right angle.
Yeah, it's lifting off a lot. I broke off like 3 pieces, and I'm thinking this is probably like a $4 piece, based on how much that stupid spray foam cost. And I don't think it covered like it should have at all. Don't understand what happened there.
Yeah.
If holding it upside down was wrong, but it was just spurting air. All 3 cans. Actually, I didn't even try the third. I just went in upside down. Let that go.